Son of a bitch bastard, you fucking guys suck. Big fucking hairy, smelly, fucking veiny, sweaty, fucking elephant cock. 3 outs away from a fucking win in the 9th inning. Then we get a 3.5 hour fucking rain delay. And then we come back and we lose. You fucking pieces of shit. How much worse can it get in this pathetic fucking clubhouse? It's still fucking raining. The black cloud is fucking raining over us. What are we battling the Tampa Bay for the basement? We belong in a fucking basement. We belong in a fucking bomb shelter. That's how bad we fucking suck. Holy shit. Pathetic. Lethargic. Boring. Sad. Disgusting. Embarrassing. Kirby Yates? How the fuck do we have a guy in a team with a name called Kirby? He hits 3 fucking batters. What the fuck? We had that game, you motherfuckers. Holy shit. 100 poor souls left in the stadium, 2 in the morning watching the game. Why? I feel like telling them, go home. Go to sleep. What the fuck you hanging around for? I'm gonna get pneumonia. If I get pneumonia, fucking come back. I'll come back. I swear to God, I'll kill all